sell your ebook or digital product online for free? Would you like to sell your digital products online? If your answer is yes, this course is for you. And if your answer is no, this course is also for you because everybody can create a digital product. At least, if you are 18 years old, you must have gone through good times or bad times. Or you must have got an idea through meditation or inspiration, or through some trainings you attended in the past. You can convert any of the above into an ebook, video course, audio, and so on. And because of the value or solution it provides, your target audience will pay you for it. I thought of how I can help people make money online selling their digital products without them spending any money. I mean any money. And I went into research, deep meditation, and studies, and I found the idea I have put in this step-by-step video course, which I have been using to sell my ebook and videos. And a lot of people have bought this course and they are so happy. The shocking part is, how can people sell their digital products online without a website? You must understand that everything is possible. In this video course, you will see how your audience will pay you and download your digital products instantly in just 3 steps. The only money you are paying is the one to get this amazing secret. Click the link around this video to get this course right now and enjoy making impact and money online even while you sleep. Using this very simple and automated system that we are giving to you completely free with just this one-time payment will help you save always without spending. Grab, catch, and marry this great opportunity now. I am Professor Holy Rock, and I'm saying remain digitally inclined.